Proven 11 outbound lead generation strategies for pros. AnyBiz. Outbound leads? Think proactive. It's like throwing a party and sending invites instead of waiting for guests. You reach out to potential customers directly, making the first move. Inbound? More like setting up a net and waiting for fish to swim in. You create content to attract people to you. Different approaches, same goal: getting customers. Outbound lead generation empowers businesses to actively engage with their target market, leading to faster conversions through personalized pitches. Despite requiring significant initial effort and potentially facing resistance, it puts control in the hands of businesses to drive results on their terms. Strategies for generating outbound leads. Strategy 1. Cold emailing. Cold emailing is like reaching out to people you don't know yet. Make your emails personal, short, and valuable. Look at how Dropbox did it. They offered extra storage space in their emails and became successful. Follow their lead to create emails that work and find new opportunities. Strategy 2. Cold calling. In today's digital world, cold calling remains a potent tool for direct customer engagement. By preparing well and delivering a compelling pitch, you can make a lasting impression and drive significant growth, as demonstrated by companies like Zenefits. Strategy 3. LinkedIn cold outreach. LinkedIn is essential for reaching decision makers and leads directly. Nurture connections through regular engagement and sharing relevant content. Facilitate introductions, seek collaborations, and stay active on the platform. Salesforce exemplifies effective LinkedIn use for outreach and thought leadership, cementing its position in the CRM space. Strategy 4. Social selling. Social selling utilizes social media to connect with prospects, build relationships, and close sales, enhancing lead quality and conversion rates. For instance, Salesforce excels in social selling through active engagement on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, driving significant sales results. Strategy 5. Multi-channel outreach. Multi-channel outreach maximizes your reach by engaging prospects across various platforms. HubSpot, for instance, uses email, social media, webinars, and content marketing to effectively attract and convert prospects into customers. Strategy 6. Pay-per-click, PPC. PPC advertising is essential for outbound lead generation, ensuring your brand reaches potential customers searching for related products or services. Google effectively uses PPC to promote its own products, highlighting its power in driving targeted leads. Strategy 7. Referral marketing. Referral marketing utilizes word of mouth to acquire qualified leads. Strategies involve incentives, simplified processes, regular communication, and acknowledging referrers. Tesla's program, offering significant rewards, showcases effective implementation. Strategy 8. Content syndication. Content syndication extends brand visibility through republishing content on third-party sites. Best practices involve partner selection, brand consistency, clear negotiations, SEO utilization, and performance monitoring. Moz exemplifies effective syndication, reaching its audience and reinforcing its authority in digital marketing. Strategy 9. Relationship building. Relationships are crucial in outbound lead generation. Strategies like consistent communication, personalization, providing value, seeking feedback, and celebrating milestones are key. Canva's approach, offering free resources, engaging on social media, and acting on user feedback, demonstrates effective relationship building. Strategy 10. Automating to optimize workflow, CRM. In the fast-paced world of sales and marketing, CRM tools are essential for efficient lead generation. They automate processes, segment leads, and track effectiveness. Zillow's use of CRM automation exemplifies how it revolutionized lead management, resulting in higher engagement and conversions. Strategy 11. Account mapping. Account mapping in B2B sales involves understanding target accounts and key stakeholders to tailor engagement strategies effectively. Adobe's approach exemplifies how thorough research and relationship mapping led to meaningful conversations and successful deals. AnyBiz, an AI-powered platform, revolutionizes outbound lead generation with data-driven insights, adaptive learning, and enhanced sales outcomes. By analyzing vast data points, it provides continuous optimization, evolving strategies for better engagement and driving superior sales results. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.